The blog, wiki, and discussion board are three tools that allow students to interact with the content and also to interact with each other. And each of these tools has certain strengths. I'd like to spend uh, most of the time on this demo talking about the discussion board. By the way, probably 1/3 of our faculty use one or more of these three tools to supplement the discussion and interaction that takes place in their classes. Well, let's go to discussions. And there are two forums. Here's an example forum, and then here's a forum called 21st Century Technology that I created earlier this morning. And in this forum, I've posted two threads, LMS technology and classroom clickers. We could go into one of these threads and see some posting by some fictitious students. I actually enrolled my wife in this course. I'm not sure how happy she'll be about that, but I have her posting a couple different replies here. Okay, let's go back to the forum and click back into the forum. And let's say we want to grade this forum, and imagine that there are just dozens and dozens of postings by all the students in your class. We can click the grade forum button, and here are the students that are in this class. Here's Janet, and we'll click on grade, and this will show all of her postings on one page. There are 1, 2, 3 postings. I color coded them just for easy identification. If we scroll farther down, we have some statistics like the number of posts she posted 3 times and the average length and so on. And here's edit grade. Notice that this forum is worth 30 points. So we go to edit grade, and we could just, after reading the posts, put in a grade here, or there's a rubric that can be used. And I created a quick rubric, putting in just some scratch text, but you have the novice, the competent, proficient, and then the criteria on the left: formatting, organization, grammar. Additional criteria could be added, and so this is totally flexible. But once you've looked at the rubric and we decided to give Janet 27 points out of 30, we put in a 27 and save the grade, and then click OK. And then we have Janet's grade assigned, a 27. We could go to Sally Smith and grade hers. Let's check the Grade Center to see what this looks like in the Grade Center. So we'll go to the Full Grade Center, and we look in. Here's the 21st Century Technology Forum, and there's Janet's 27. Earlier we had color-coded the cells so that anything 90% or above shows up as green, so that identifies her as having an A for this particular assignment. Now, the way the rubric was set up, I'm not going to show all the details, but let me just step you through quickly how the rubric is set up. If we go to Course Tools and expand this, this is where all the different tools are: blogs and glossary and safe assignment. Here's one: rubrics. So we go into the rubrics area, and this is the rubric that I created. We could create a new one. So it's very simple to create the rubric, and I won't step through the details on that. But once the rubric is created, then you have to associate that rubric with a particular assignment, and that's done in the Grade Center. So we go back to the Grade Center, and we go into, here's our forum, pull down or click on the chevron, and here is View and Add Rubrics, and we go into here, and it will list all the rubrics that I have created, and I choose the one that I want to be identified with this particular assignment, and that's it.